Grover it slow down，我的梦梦，OK。Let me show you guys. This is the key 2022 FAW Jiefang truck. Let's measure the cargo box. 9.6 meters long. Check the interior. Oh my god, smooth falling. My clothes is made in China. Super warm. $1,000. Very beautiful. Oh my god. Super special interior. Today no dance. Start the truck.
Otherwise, I'm right to the microphone. Let the music kill you. Feel with the rhythm. Like a sing. Whoa, whoa.
Oh my god. Oh, speakers is so good. Oh my god. Look, 10 speed gearbox. Look, EP. Ooh. What's this? So good. Let's have the power. Let's go. What's the power? Oh my god. That's the smell. DaChai 320 horsepower engine. Do you like DaChai? Instant power! Let's go. Hello boss, look, a 2022 FAW Jiefang truck is super affordable. Only $20,000. Look, every truck in our shop is export ready. Like my trucks, hit me up. I'm Jerry, 恭喜发财。